Understanding the phrase, under the gun, in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, under the gun. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding it can really enhance your English communication skills. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how to use it in conversation. Under the gun means being under intense pressure or in a stressful situation where you need to make decisions quickly. It's often used to describe scenarios where there's a sense of urgency or a strict deadline. For example, if you're working on a project that needs to be finished soon, you might say, "I'm really under the gun to get this done." The phrase likely originates from military contexts, where being under the gun meant being within range of enemy gunfire, hence under immediate threat or pressure. Over time, this phrase transitioned into everyday language to describe any high-pressure situation, not just literal combat scenarios. 1. In the workplace, our team is under the gun to complete the report by Friday. 2. Personal deadlines. I'm under the gun to finish planning the event by next week. 3. Sports and games. The player was under the gun to score before the game ended. Notice how the phrase flexibly fits into different contexts, always implying a sense of urgency and pressure. While under the gun is the standard expression, you might also hear variations like under pressure or against the clock. These phrases carry a similar meaning but can be used based on personal preference or context. And that's a wrap on under the gun. Remember, it's a versatile phrase that's useful for describing situations with tight deadlines or high stress. I hope this video helps you in understanding and using this expression more confidently in your English conversations. See you in the next video.